Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. After the hectic days of exams, finally the time has come. Your exams are over and you can sleep without guilty about it all day. But in case you're wondering what to do with all your free time, then here are some 8 cool things to do after your exams are over. Let's begin. Number 1. Pursue your hobbies. So this is the time when you can give wings to your passion. It can be drawing or painting, be it photography, writing comics, reading books, making slimes, gardening, listening to music, dancing, etc. Hobbies are what keeps us alive, gives happiness, boosts creativity and instill positivity. Number 2. Go on a tour. Be it with your friends or family, going on a tour to an unexplored place is always exciting. You may either go to a famous city and explore its surroundings, or travel to hilly mountainous terrains amidst the lush green beauty of nature. Number 3. Watch your favorite TV series. One of the best ways to spend your free time is to binge watch your favorite movies, serials, and TV series. Make a list of all the new releases that you have missed due to your exams and start watching them as soon as you can. Number 4. Learn foreign languages. Learning new language is a very interesting activity. It will also help in future if you visit a new country for your study, job, and even for the tourism. Number 5. Cook a meal together. Find a recipe in a cookbook or online and bake something with your friends or family. Sometimes cooking with friends is a recipe of disaster, but it always results in a great memory. Number 5. Read books. Choose books, comics, magazines, and papers that interest you so that you can enjoy yourself when reading. Or you can also glance through your new academic year textbook syllabus. Number 7. Relax. Don't think about how your exams went or what the result will be. Don't stress. Do your best and forget the rest. Now you have likely heard about the benefits of meditation. Make a point of sitting down every day to meditate even if it's only for 10 minutes. Number 8. Get energetic. Go for a cycle ride, walking, play games with your friends, or visit to the gym. Get a new exercise regime underway to help you restore fitness that you might have neglected during the exam period. So that's it all for today's video, and I hope you will get some ideas to celebrate your holidays. Also, please give out your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. And for more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that bell icon for my latest new updates. See you in my next video. Bye!